You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this city in Turkey. If you want to learn more confusing names of famous places in what is now called Turkey, let's stay tuned to learn more. Got more videos for you. Pamukkale. This is the Turkish pronunciation. Pamukkale. A stress on the second syllable, the mu syllable. How to pronounce Pamukkale. In English, the pronunciation, how to pronounce Pamukkale. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.